What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another one of my videos. See, I've been trying to really pump out all these videos for y'all super quick because coronavirus, right? Anyway, we're gonna go in with the Amrezy palette. I know y'all seen the look, the little purple glitter cut crease we're gonna be doing today. So the first color I went in with was New York. I can't say it, but y'all know what it is. I'm gonna blend this out with I think this is my M441, but I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me, but it's a big fluffy blending brush, right? And we're just gonna work that into the crease. Then on that same brush, we're gonna go in with that burgundy shade called Simsma. So I don't know, it's her mama name, I don't know. We're gonna work that right under, actually we're gonna put it right on top because it helps to blend it. And since we're gonna do a cut crease, we want that nice little gradient effect. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on my little elf liners because I wanted a sharp end. So yeah, there's that. So I put that on, even though it's late, I'll put it on, okay? So like I was saying, I'm gonna just continue to blend that Simsa color into the crease. I'm gonna wing it out a little bit. I like this shape of like that I give myself, how it kind of gives me like a little cat eye, because I have big old round eyes and I like to accentuate them and make them look, you know, more sexy. Okay, so on the outside, now we're gonna go in with this deep brown called Yugo, and I just want to put that like right in the crease. I don't want to go up too high or nothing like that, just right in the crease and on the outer edge. To be honest with y'all, I don't really know the brushes, and I'm outside in my car recording because, you know, coronavirus, got all my kids at home and I can't, you know, get a moment of peace. So I came out here to record. Now, okay, so this one, I did just get a fluffy, clean brush, right? No product on it. And I'm just going to make sure those colors are nicely blended for that gradient effect. So when I do my cut crease, it'll look even better. Now it's time to cut my crease. I'm using my new favorite, the P. Louise base. I believe this is the shade Rumor 4. And I'm just using a flat brush, and I sped this part up because y'all know cut creases be taking huck along. So I sped it up to, you know, save y'all the trouble. Oh, and also, if y'all do want like a detailed list of brushes that I use, I can do that. I can put it in the description box. But if y'all don't ask for it, I ain't gonna do it because that's gonna be doing hella extra work. And for what? If y'all don't even care, for what? But anyway, if y'all want it, I got them. But we'll see what y'all say. Here with my finger, I'm just going over that base because I put a little too much. And you know, you don't need all that. And so I'm just tapping it in with my pinky and wiping off the excess. Okay, so now for the lid shade. This is called Cupcake, and it's kind of like a pinky purpley, hecka pretty glitter color. Y'all know that's my favorite color is glitter. So I had to put this on the entire lid. When I get to the outer corner, I'm going to blend out some colors. You'll see, but for now, we'll just put this on the lid. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with that brown called Yugo. And we're just going to blend that little outer tail, outer V type of moment. Okay, so I'm just using that same brush. It was kind of big for what I was trying to do, but I didn't want to dirty up another brush. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to use the same one, girl. And just like we did with Yugo, we're going to go back in with Simso on that same brush we already used. And here, I'm just using it to blend these two colors together. So it's not just like a, you know, I want the tail of my eye to be more blended, while the cut crease on top is more crisp. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, if y'all ever recreate my looks, y'all would tag me, right? And show me and, you know, let me know something. Give me some credit. Like, girl, I'll be working hard on these looks and y'all don't be saying nothing. Anyway, yep, so there's that. So now I'm taking my Urban Decay. This is that glitter liner. I don't know, twisted metal, something metal, liquid metal, something glitter liner, Urban Decay. So I'm just putting that right over my cut crease. right over that, girl. And you can go as far out as you want. Some people like to just go halfway. Some people like to go 3/4. I just kind of went to where I felt like stopping, and then that was good. What I like to do, because I like to pretend I'm bougie, is every time I use like a liquid product, I like to hurry up and dry it with my fan. So once I did that glitter liner, I dried it, and then even after I do my eyeliner, I like to dry it. And then when I put my lashes on, I like it dry, okay? Because I don't be having time to wait and fan it myself. My arms get tired. Am I yelling? I feel like I'm yelling. Y'all watch the video. Okay, so now I could take off my little elf eye little patches, whatever they call. I don't know. I usually use tape, but I didn't have to. You can go in with any mascara if you're gonna wear false lashes, because you only put them on there to help your false lashes blend. But this telescopic lash, that stuff is good. That's from L'Oreal, and that really be having my lashes look like they long, because I do not have long lashes at all, but it look like I do when I wear this. These lashes that I'm applying, I got from the beauty supply. They're just some long, like spiky but fluffy lashes, and they look really cute with this. So that's why I picked them. Okay, so now I am priming and applying foundation. Y'all know this is my favorite foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. My perfect shade, my perfect everything, my perfect coverage, all that stuff, girl. I'm in the shade NC50. You know what? Next video, I'm gonna make that a quiz. And if you can get the answer, girl, you're gonna get a prize. Well, we'll see, because I don't know. I ain't got no money like that in this coronavirus, girl. But anyway, I'm going in with my brush. I'm just packing this in my skin. I forgot to spray my setting spray, and I also forgot to use my setting powder under my contour. I'll show you that later. But you know what? I be forgetting steps, and then at the end of the video when I'm editing, I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to. I'm rambling. After I use a brush, I like to go in with my sponge and help me further blend in my foundation. Now it's concealer time. I'm using my LA Girl in the shade Toffee. I told y'all last video, this is like perfect for me. So I'm using this. I'm going to highlight all over my face. Y'all know where to highlight. If you don't know, just look at the video. And then we're going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Of course, not after, we let it set with my fan for a few minutes. Dang, finally. So now we're gonna set my highlighted areas with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. You guys know I have drier skin, so I can't use it. I can't bake. I can't use it heavily. I dab my sponge into the powder, and then I dab off all the excess, and then I just press in whatever's left on the sponge into my skin. Then I brush it all the way like I'm doing right here. Now, I like to powder contour. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette thing that I need a new one of. I should be getting one shortly, but like I said, say it with me, coronavirus. Okay? All right, so we're going to blend this out. Yeah, we're just going to blend this out and then move on to the next step. For a little added touch of flawless skin, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is a shade Deep Dark. And I'm just going to powder a little bit, girl. A little bit all over my face. So now that we finished most of our face, we can go finish the under eye. And I'm just going to take this is Jaclyn Hill, like a little flat shader brush. I don't know what these are called. I can tell y'all, like I said, if y'all ask, but if you don't ask, I won't tell you. But that first color, we're just going to go right along the lash line. Then when we go back in with that Yugo color, we're just going to do like the first, like 2/3 of my outer eye. If that makes sense. I don't want to bring that dark color all the way in. And then I'm going to line with this is a L'Oreal black silhouette, something like that. It's a waterliner thing. I don't know. I just use it in my waterline. I didn't show y'all because I couldn't hold it or anything. Now I'm going to take my blush. This is from NYX called Sweet Cheeks. If you want the shade name, I can leave it or whatever. And I'm going to blush. Now I'm highlighting with my MAC Global Glow. Y'all know this is my favorite, right? So I'm just going to highlight. And then I have to take my pencil brush and highlight my Cupid's bow, my nose, and then my eyebrows because the other brush is way too big. For the inner corner highlight, we're going in with the shade Wasted. And we're just going to boop, dab it in there, boop, dab it in there, and then boop, one more time on this side, and then boop, one more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so let me spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. Love this stuff. We're going to use a fan and blow dry it, you know, nice and dry. You know me and my dry. So now, girl, just take you any dark lip liner because that's all I do. Dark brown lip liners, okay? Then I'm going in with my Iris and e.l.f. collaboration lip gloss. And this stuff is like super awesome. It's perfect because it comes with 5 shades and you can mix and match them. And you can make a whole bunch of different colors or you can use the colors that already came with. See, so I'm going to use these 2 here. On my outer lip area, I'm going to use that darker color. I think it's to the left. Yeah. So I'm going to go around closer to where the lip liner is placed with that first color. And then the second color, I'm going to put more towards the middle of my lips. And girl, this stuff be making my lips look juicy. Okay, watch. Just, girl, calm down, Terry. Look, I'm getting all excited, girl. Because when I be posting my pictures and stuff, y'all be kind of hyping me up or whatever. And I like that. Keep doing it. Don't stop. Speaking of lips, I do get asked why I do certain lines on my lips, and it's to make them look bigger. So if y'all want like a dedicated lip tutorial on how to make your little lips look all big and juicy, I got you, girl. Just let me know because I'm not gonna make it if you don't ask. Remember? Okay, so now after I spray my face, I can put on my bottom mascara because if I do it before, I always have black under my eyes. No matter how long it takes to dry, I always get little black dots. And we're finished, y'all. We're finished. The lash line is always my last step. So after that, look, girl, she cute. She is feeling herself. Okay, so this is a part where I say, you know, subscribe if you haven't already. Share with all your friends so we can all be friends. And give me a big old like. Give me a thumbs up because it helps my videos. And leave a comment and be my friend. And call me. And give me your social security number. And I want your firstborn. And all your money. Okay, bye.